Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Honda Pilot EXL. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.